Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create an account on Flow AI and how you can use it to generate AI images and videos. So let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer or a laptop. Now go to the search bar and type Flow AI and press enter. You will see the Flow AI website in the search results. Open the first relevant website. Once the website opens, you will see first Google Flow website. Open it. Here, you will find the option Create with Google Flow. Click on this option to continue. Next, you ask to select an option according to your preference. Select the option you want and then click Next. After that, you will see the privacy policy. Take a moment to read the information, then scroll down and click Continue. Now, you will be taken to the main Flow AI screen. As you can see, the Flow AI account has been created successfully, and it is showing my name here. You can also see that we received 50 credits for free. Users who have not taken a subscription. Now let's see how we can actually use Flow AI. To start creating content, click on New Project. Here, you can generate AI images and videos. You will see different options such as all media, character, and scenes. For example, let's click on characters. Now, a new section will appear where we can enter our prompt. A prompt is simply a description of what we want the AI to create. For example, create a girl image eating food with a beautiful background scene. After entering the prompt, select the required option and continue. Flow AI will now process our prompt and generate the image. You can also, if you are creating content for TikTok or another platform, you can select the appropriate ratio according to your requirements. After selecting the format, click Next. Click Next again, and Flow AI will generate the image.
Hi there. We're introducing a new feature where I can read this.
Now we are back in the All Media section. Click on the image we just generated. Here, you can see different settings for the image. You can select the ratio in which you want to create your image, and you can also choose how many images you want. For videos, you can choose the aspect ratio and select how many videos you want to generate. So this is how you can create an account on Flow AI and start using its different AI features. With Flow AI, you can create AI-generated images, videos, characters. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you understand how to create a Flow AI account and how to start generating AI images and videos. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.